How to add YouTube channel link on Facebook profile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up the channel that you want to put on your profile and memorize the name of the channel, or you can even copy it. And once you do that, you need to go back and open up Facebook and then go to your profile page. And here you need to scroll down to the information section and click on public details. And then scroll all the way down, and from the links section, click on add. And from the social link, click on add social link and select the platform from the drop down to be YouTube. And then enter your username right here, or the name of the channel. And once you do that, you can see that Facebook has recognized the channel. Click on the save button at the top right of the screen to save the changes. And then when you go back to your profile, you can see that the channel has been added. And when someone clicked on it, it will redirect him to the same channel. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a YouTube channel link to your Facebook account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.